The second level to your career growth is to focus on your well-being. It's important to understand that professional growth and personal growth very much go hand in hand. Having a clear vision and mission for your career is not enough. It's now time to turn that vision into a reality by living it day by day. In order to take your career or business to the next level, you need to learn how to look after your personal well-being. Here at Rocket, we call this having a personal growth plan. A personal growth plan is essentially all about disciplining yourself with the right habits and mindset. It can broadly be defined as a focused, disciplined, and well-organized approach to how you manage your time and attention. You can think of it a bit like housekeeping or gardening for the soul. By prioritizing personal growth, you're making the choice to protect and nourish the core of your being. In this way, you'll be feeding into your sense of humanity, enabling you to grow and flourish. There are lots of positive benefits to having a personal growth plan, including it will keep you more focused on your goals, it will increase your physical well-being and energy levels, it will help you achieve better mental health in terms of your ability to prioritize and organize your time, think smarter, calmer, and more clearly. It will help you achieve better emotional health in terms of improving your self-esteem, intuition, resilience, empathy towards others, and overall general happiness. It will increase your confidence and belief in yourself as you develop the right habits and train yourself to become an expert in whatever it is you put your mind to. It will improve your soft skills, such as your organization and communication skills, your effectiveness when working in teams, and your leadership skills. And ultimately, as a result of all this, this will lead to better relationships and better results in your business and career. Personal growth is core to your career growth. Without it, you'll struggle to make substantial progress. With it, you'll see your results rocket. So, how do you practice it? In this section of the course, we've outlined our 9 steps to personal growth. These include having a purpose, setting yourself goals, having a system in place to improve your focus, maintaining discipline, scheduling health and well-being activities into your calendar, using self-talk to help you redefine your personal brand and set positive affirmations for yourself, sticking to your plan and learning to cope with setbacks, and finally, breaking out of your comfort zone. In the next 2 videos, we'll be discussing these 9 steps in more detail.